Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one website, and this website pay you automatically to your faucet pay any cryptocurrency you want to earn, and this is auto earning for faucet website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are for your earning website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. First of all, you can here join. The login is very simple. I share with you this website link available at this website much more months ago, and you can easily use the change the profile, and you can put your email address, and you can just put your faucetpay email address. Okay, in here just putting your faucetpay email address, and it's done. After that you come to home. Okay, and after that choose the multicoin, choose the faucet pay, and you can, if you have tokens, I have this much tokens, and this is the all cryptocurrency available. Just I click select all, and just I unlock the booster. Okay, I unlock the booster 2x booster. Okay, how you unlock the booster? You click activate point. You can watch the PTC ads, or you can watch the short links. You can earn tokens, and you can earn activity points. After that you can active the booster. Okay, right now I choose 2x booster, and I just clicked all of the cryptocurrency I want to earn, and just click launch earning. Okay, and this will be pay me instantly every 1 minute to my faucet pay. Okay, I just pause the video. After 1 minute I will be share with you this website pay me, but this website automatically reload. Don't close this page, just leave this page alone, and this will be pay you every 1 minute without any working. If just daily watch the short links and watch the PTC ads, so you can earn coins. After that you can easily make your free cryptocurrency from here. Just I leave the page, and after that I come back. Okay, now you can see after 1 minute the page is reload automatically, and you can see this website pay me 2 BNB Binance, this much Satoshi for USDT, 2 Satoshi Bitcoin, 2 Satoshi of the Bitcoin Cash. This is all the payment, and these two wallet orders didn't have a balance. About that didn't pay you Fura and Solano. About the wallet orders didn't have any balance. Okay, that's not the thing you think this website didn't pay me. Okay, I go to my faucet pay to show you the send amount, and you can see this is all send amount from that website. This website pay you automatically. Okay, about that you can see 2 BNB, and I go to my preview wallet, 2 dash coin, this much Torin, this much Zcash, Litecoin, USDT, Bitcoin, 2 Satoshi. That's too easy to earn 2 Satoshi. Buying BCH, Bitcoin Cash, Doge, Ethereum, and Digibyte. You can see this website pay me instantly every 1 minute, and this will be reload every time, and you can receive your amount every 1 minute instantly to your faucet pay. And this website link available in description. Don't think lots, and you can see I receive another withdrawal. You can see this my second withdrawal, and this website pay you automatically. Okay, without any timer, just every 1 minute to reload. And if you boost your amount, your account more than 2x, this will be pay you more than 2x of the cryptocurrency. Okay, this all tokens is, this will be take 2 hours to this all tokens pay me my Satoshi. Okay, and this website link available in description. If you like to join this website, you can easily click the link and come here join yourself. This website pay you automatically. Thanks for watching, guys, and this website link available in description. And you can see the another way earning. I go to my faucet pay, you can see 26 satoshi, just reload 28 satoshi. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.